Don't you love when you check into a hotel and you get upgraded to a suite? It doesn't happen every day, but it happened to me in San Antonio, and I'm so happy it did because this room was so cool. What is up, my fellow budget travelers? In today's video, I'm taking you to the Drury, which is right on the San Antonio Riverwalk. It even has an underground connection that goes right out into the river. This Drury is actually really cool because it is the old Alamo National Bank. So it's got a lot of old architecture and it's just got a lot of history to it. I mean, check out these elevators. There was so much to see here that I had to make it a whole nother video. So this video, I'll just show you the room and then check out the next video at the end, and that will give you a whole tour of the property. They had a few different banks of elevators, so they were always coming. It was really quick to get an elevator here. But I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely an old historical building. I mean, doesn't this give you kind of Shining vibes? But once you open the door, there's tons of lights and natural lighting. And even the bathroom has a great view. As you walk in, you're greeted with some artwork of the San Antonio Riverwalk. There's actually a bunch of paintings scattered throughout the suite. These doors over here will be your classic closet. They've got removable hangers. They've got your ironing board, an iron, extra bedding. They do have a pull-out couch here, so that's where you get the bedding for the pull-out couch. And then moving on to the bathroom with a view, make sure you do have those blinds closed because you can definitely see in the windows at night. But it's really nice to have the natural lighting in the bathroom. They've got a big mirror on the right-hand side, and then here's your shower and tub on the left. The water does get really hot, just to warn you. And they've got all your basics, your shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And then moving over to the sink area, you've got that big mirror. They provide you plenty of towels, and they've got these really cool like light fixtures. You'll see that throughout the room, just kind of this old throwback style. And you've got your soap and you have plenty of towels. And then they have one of those itty bitty hair dryers, but it does the trick. It's about as big as your hand. And then over here, you've got your toilet with a view. As you turn the corner, you could see that this was a corner suite. So you've got 3 separate rooms total. You've got the bedroom over here, and it has a solid wood door that closes. Then you've got the living room area with a pull-out couch, and you've got the bathroom. We had a 2-queen room, and I really liked the headboards on here. And they've got fans on the ceiling for both rooms, so you can really get some air moving. There's a full-length mirror on the left, and then you've got a cabinet and a TV. And on the bedstand, you've got one control for either one of the lights. You could have both of them on, one or the other. There's a ton of plugs kind of scattered throughout the room, including the bedside table. Over here, you've got your Keurig. They give you tea, coffee, all that fun stuff. Then you've got a little desk area over here. This room has a microwave, which I thought was really cool. It's kind of rare to find that anymore. And they've got your little refrigerator. They've got more San Antonio artwork on the wall. Then over here is the pull-out couch. And I actually really like these tables. They were like kind of two things you could pull out and sit on, plus a table on top of them. Here's your ice bucket. And there's a lot of lamps in the room, so you could really have some fun lighting. You can see here you could use it as an extended table or you could use it as seating. I thought that was pretty fun. And then this was a double bed underneath. Another cool thing about the Drury is they give you free breakfast every morning. It's a huge buffet, so I'll show you that in the next video. They also have a happy hour where you get 2 free cocktails. And that's just for staying at the Drury. Now let's take a look out the window. It was actually really cool because you can see part of the river right where those trees are. That's actually where the Riverwalk is. And while we were there, the Spurs got into the playoffs, so there was a huge parade outside. It was crazy. So I'll leave a little bit of footage here for you guys to check that out. But there were cars everywhere. So you know we had to go downstairs and check it out because we were like, what is happening? Even though we spent most of our time down on the Riverwalk and exploring San Antonio, going to the Alamo, that kind of thing, it was really nice to come back to a really clean room and just rest up for the long day ahead. And they have a really nice pool. You'll have to check out that video next where I take you through the whole pool. They have 2 hot tubs and the view from the roof is crazy. They've got a lookout deck. The Drury even has a view from the fitness center. Like, how cool is that? This was the hot tub that we spent most of our time in while we were at the pool. And for whatever reason, we had the place mostly to ourselves whenever we would go there, probably because we were there so early. If you have any questions about San Antonio, make sure you leave them in the comments for me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, check out these videos next. I walk the Riverwalk, I show you the Alamo, and I'll be giving you some of my top tips for visiting San Antonio. I'll see you there.